Yo, 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 what's up? Hold on. Wait, I think I'm missing something. Wait up. Huh? Let me just, go back for a sec. All I can say just wow, like, this car looks, Dan Garcia looks so stunning out of his package, man. Like, I've been dying to open this guy ever since, like, he's one of the first ones that I received from my Christmas and birthday haul sort of video. I've been like, my hands are actually pretty itchy in order for me to get and open this diecast. Unfortunately, like some bad news, good news and some bad news. Like off cam, I did try out some testings before I try to record this on cam on how is the quality, how would my camera is gonna be able to make up for like the glowing feature. But fortunately, like I do need like one of those most likely those like high-tech sort of cameras which are meant for the dark. But I would show you later on for like the main demonstration. I don't know if how well is it gonna pick up, but surely, just surely, I'm gonna figure out some ways. I was quite disappointed, like, in order that while I was about to edit this video, but anyways, just move on to the positive side of things and get on with the main review of Mr. Dan Garcia here. Like the very dark paintwork on this guy. I don't know what wave is he actually in of the Glow Racers mainline. I know he's in some sort of a case with, I don't know, maybe Ryan? Maybe, but I know surely it's with McQueen. Glow Racers McQueen. I don't know if Mater and Cruz is still there. Very nice dark blue paint. Like the yellow or lime green sort of wheels, and then for the decals on him, the number 80 G gaskets. He's also the next gen gaskets racer. Headlights, there we go, number 80, same sponsors as the original one, from that, like, I literally forgot if it's either in a 10 pack or 11. Surely it's like around of a 10 pack, along with featuring another exclusive vehicle, which is Bruce Miller Cars 3 RPM racer. As you can see, I'm actually comparing these two. Very big difference. As for this window shading, they actually colored in the window bars black, which is a nice sort of add-on. Number 80, and then the G on the hood. I am such a fan of the way that they I don't know, but I don't know how would I be able to rank these once I have the complete set, because I'm very closely in completing this line. Race and Rescue still quite far from there. Even from the GRC Racers main line, I'm still quite far in finishing up the collecting sort of period of those guys. Rookie stripes from yellow to orange. Letter G is shrunken down a little bit. The letter G for gaskets. Number 80 again. on the left or right tail light, then gaskets. So here's the base if you're interested. It's upside down. There we go. Made in Thailand. I thought these were made in Vietnam for a sec. Mattel. That's pretty much it. And the eye color. Wait, some eyeliner action over. Wait a minute. Did I see some few minor differences? Oh, so maybe like the eyes are a bit lowered a little, not compared to the original Chinese version made in China. So I know this guy also got a Thailand release, which I'm also planning or yet to get soon. Preferably. So let's try and test this out, I guess, one last time. Maybe like, I don't know if I would be either proud or maybe disappointed if this didn't work out well. But it's just my very first attempt, very first attempt in reviewing a Glow Racer. So please kindly please bear with me. Oh, zooming and zooming out. Well, hey, so very happy to say, like, it's just my very first attempt. It's my first time, and I just hope for the best. In the near future, I would be having those like modernized sort of cameras in the near future that I would be demonstrating them a lot clearer than usual. Maybe by that time actually I would be finishing up in reviewing these Glow Racers. As you may see, like in the background, there's not that much Glow Racers like from this main line because they're still all in package, which I'm still yet to open. So that's pretty much it. I also need quite a bit of a replacement for my Sage Vanderspin. Like, this is a rubber tire release from my forgot what's that pack called, which it came with a rubber tire version of Johnny Blamer four-wheel drive racer, and then my very first Cars 1 McQueen, which is rubber tires actually. Look how messy he is. I do need a better replacement for this guy. This is also, by the way, the first, Cars 1. I was about to say first gen of gaskets, but Cars 1, I'm just gonna say it's the Cars 1. First generation for the racer gaskets. And then second up, which is, he was replaced after his crash from the first Cars movie at the Dinoco 400. His replacement is Rex Revler, which he raced until 20 well, am I right? 2016. What's that massive chip? I did not even notice over there. It's a massive chip on the back of my Rex Revler over here. The racetrack treat. As you can see right there, I really like the part when they actually put the cookie back on the old one. Gaskets. Still almost pretty much follows the same color scheme as the OG Cars 1 gaskets racer, Sage Vanderspin. And lastly, next gen, after right after Rex Revler got fired from racing and then he got replaced with a much younger and faster generation. Sad sad to say and sad for him. Sorry for Rex Revler though. Much modernized. Ever since I've seen like some reviews of Mr. Dan Garcia, I thought he's gonna be one of my all-time top favorite next gens, but turns out it's gonna be either like Steve Slick LePage and then Conrad Camber, which have like that sort of foil sort of aesthetic to them, like the green foil paintwork on Steve Slick LePage and gold foiling for Conrad. Well, that's very nice try and attempt for my very first review on Mr. Dan Garcia here, which is the Glow Racer variation. I know he also has a Fireball Beach, or correct me if I'm wrong. This might be his second variation. Next video would be probably maybe on Christina Whelan. And then afterwards it would be on the Fiberfuel crew chief. Kinda blanking out. I forgot the name, but who knows? Like, well, that's that I can say for this video. And then so many videos planned out, or I am still looking for what else from my Christmas haul, which I have not yet reviewed yet, but I don't see the whole point. I'm still needing not to be confused with the Race and Rescue Sarge, I'm still needing the pit crew member Sarge from Cars 1 Thailand variant. So that's just a bit of a short explanation. So that's that. Well, I'll be seeing you guys again for the next upcoming video on the Disney Pixar Cars fan channel. Sorry about the last, like one of my very first attempts in uploading this. I accidentally said which is my old name, DPCL Lover 2004, but actually it's Disney Pixar Cars Fan 2004. I was planning on changing it to the Love Bug Fan, Herbie the Love Bug Fan 2004, since I also love Herbie, former Disney character, such a classic. So this is Disney Pixar Cars Fan signing off.